Good afternoon and happy Memorial Day, everyone. This is David Snook, Vlogger Dude, with a message to the world about the KODAK PlaySport video camera. We are going to take this camera for a spin. Not just any kind of spin around the block on your bike or on your motorcycle or in your car. We're taking this for a spin inside a Kenmore washing machine. Are you ready? Here you go. Okay, the KODAK PlaySport video camera down the hatch. It's down there somewhere. It looks like it's okay. A little bit of moisture there, as you would imagine. The first question is there power? And yes, there is power. Second question is, can you shoot video? And we will do that right now. Yes, you can shoot video. You can see the electronic image stabilization. Here is playback, video playback.